I'm going to teach you guys how to connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Real quick, guys, make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'm going to be highlighting some key points. So first of all, you log into your Exness mobile app. Either you are using the web version or the mobile app on Play Store. Quick note, the same way are going to use it on MetaTrader 5 is also the same way on MetaTrader 4. So let's connect our Exness account to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 real quick. So in your dashboard, the sub account you want to link, this is the sub account I want to link to MetaTrader 5. So for you to create a sub account real quick, all you just have to do is just click on plus here. Then you open a standard account. Make sure it's MetaTrader 5. See guys, MetaTrader 5 is the advanced trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is the old, but it's still like advanced. But MetaTrader 5 is more easier to understand. That's why I love MetaTrader 5. So yeah, you put on them on a real account, then you put your password and everything. Is this password you set when creating your MetaTrader 5 sub account or MetaTrader 4 sub account? That's what we need. So not your main Exness account. So you guys won't find any issue or difficulties while trying to link it together. So real quick, the first thing you have to do is to click on the three icon at the right hand side. So when you click on it, you click on setting. So you have your sub account information real quick. So let's go to our MetaTrader 5. I believe you have downloaded MetaTrader 5 on your phone. So you can see the sub account I have on this phone, on this MetaTrader 5. So let's connect MetaTrader 5 ASAP. So first of all, let's go and look the server. So they say we should connect to Exness MT5 30. This is the server name. So you click on the plus icon, then you search for your broker. Guys, some of you guys will just like, you search for Exness and under Nigeria, most Africa under the Exness Technology Limited. Or if you're in UK, you connect to this server, Exness UK Limited or Kenya, something thereabouts. But most Africa do use Exness Technologies Limited. This is right here. So you click on it. So here you now click on server. So the server they say we should connect to is Exness-Real 30, Exness MT5 30. So you click on this server, you see a lot of servers. So you have to let's look for it together, Exness-Real 30 real quick. Oh my God, guys. Okay, I've seen it. Exness MT5 30, not MT4 30. It's Exness MT5 30. So immediately you copy and paste your login. So this is where you go and find your login. This is login. Yeah, this is it here. So you just copy it and you paste it here. So your password is the password you use while creating your sub account, not your main Exness account. Quick note that you can have up to like 10 sub accounts with different password. So let me enter that real quick. And also guys, quick one, if you are here to join my Signal community where I drop free premium Signal for free, you are missing a lot. And also, if you are here to create your Exness account and you are finding some difficulty trying to verify your account, just check the description of this video. You can see real quick, we've connected our Exness account to MT5 in less than 2 minutes. You understand? You can see the same name, everything's tally. Now is for you to start trading and start making the money as a SAP. So it's as easy as this. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment section. And also, see guys, if you are here to join my Signal group, you're really missing a lot. Like, what are you waiting for? Check the description of this video or check the comment section and make sure you create your Exness account with my partner link because you have access to the premium VIP Signal for free. And aside from that, you can also learn how to analyze the market yourself without relying on anyone's signal. Through my YouTube channel, they have dropped a lot of paid courses, and also I have a private section for free. All you just have to do is check the description of this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now, young billionaire. Stay blessed and stay great.